Most sellers may wonder about the accurate shipping time from China and how to mitigate shipping delays to keep everything running smoothly for better inventory management. Exact international shipping times can be challenging to predict due to many risks in international shipping, but we hope this content below can give you useful and practical shipping time information. In this video, we'll discuss shipping time in the whole shipping stages, factors that affect the timings, and solutions to optimize shipping time from China. Shipping goods from China follows a complex procedure, and the scale of China's territory can impact the time it takes to reach the final destination. The total shipping time is based on the receiving and processing time, the transit time, the clearance and delivery time, and the time it takes for Amazon FBA to process the goods. Stage 1. Cargo receiving and processing time from China. Before cargo departs China, it will be picked up from suppliers and sent to our warehouse for consolidation, and then shipped to the departure ports. 1. Picking up from suppliers to our warehouse. Let's look at the stage in detail. Usually, we will pick up your products from suppliers for consolidation and packing preparation according to Amazon requirements, or your special requirements. If your suppliers are in Guangdong province, your products can arrive at our warehouse at Dongguan in 1-2 workdays. Suppliers in other provinces of China may take 3-4 days and 5 days for more remote locations like Shandong to ship to the port of departure. Once your products are ready to ship, we will load and send them to the container yard in 1-2 days. Then, it's time to wait for cargo loading on the vessel and departure. In summary, it usually takes at least 15 days to receive and process your cargo for international shipping from China, apart from warehousing time. Stage 2. Transit time from China to the destination country. At this stage, your cargo will be shipped to the destination by sea, air express, or rail. The shipping time can vary based on these different shipping methods. How long is sea shipping from China? Sea shipping from China port to port may take 20-55 days, according to your chosen destination and shipping service. In the sea shipping process, the vessel will sail the goods to their destination, following designated routes. Once the containers are placed on the vessel, how long does air shipping take from China? Air shipping is more efficient than sea shipping, taking 5-15 days from China to your destination. This method may be more beneficial if your warehouse requires urgent shipments. For air freight from China, your cargo will be transported directly from China's airport to the destination airport close to the final warehouse, saving lots of the final delivery time. Generally, air shipping companies provide 3 types of services for your requirements: economy air shipping, 7-15 days; standard air shipping, 5-7 days; urgent air shipping, 5 days. Express shipping is the fastest shipping method, taking 4-9 days from China to the globe. Such quick delivery speed primarily benefited from the responsive and organized system of express shipping couriers, streamlining the whole supply chain. Similarly to air freight, express shipping also offers different shipping services. Balancing the shipping cost and time. Here are the 2 common express shipping options: standard express, 7-9 days; expedited shipping, 5-7 days. Rail freight from China to Europe takes 15-20 days from port to port. Cheaper than air freight and faster than sea shipping make rail freight popular for bulk cargo shipping from China. With rail freight, your cargo will first be loaded on the container in Shenzhen, and then transported to Chongqing for loading on the train. The train will go across Alator Shankou to Kazakhstan, Russia, Maaszewicz, and finally arrive in Hungary, taking about 10-15 days on the road. Stage 3. Cargo customs clearance and delivery time. For LCL, less than container load, in sea shipping, your cargo will be unloaded from the container in the destination port, placed on the truck, or picked up by UPS to the transfer center. For FCL, full container load, shipments, you can make delivery appointments to Amazon warehouses directly. During dull seasons, this process is generally quicker than LCL. For rail freight to Europe, your cargo will go through customs clearance in Hungary, and then unload for transfer to the UK, France, or other countries, taking roughly 3-5 days. There are two common ways of final delivery, express service or by truck. It will take 5-20 days to the Amazon warehouse by truck and 3-9 days by express. In total, you can expect 7-14 days of final delivery time from customs clearance to your Amazon warehouse. The Amazon FBA processing time is around 2-6 days. Please contact us if you need to transport Amazon goods from China.